Today I want to show you guys how to use macros. Macros are basically a way to make your own tool so that when you get a really messed up letter like the one you see in front of you that's not at all in the right format, all you have to do is click a button and it'll do a lot of the formatting for you. So right now I'm going to show you how to create your macro button. If you go into the view over here, you'll see macros here. Go to the drop down and click on record macro. Then you can name it, just name it formatting. I'm going to make it a button, so you click on button, and then you can add, you can add a separator and then put your new macro in there. And you can make your button whatever you want right here. So I'm going to put a little time thing, save me time. So there's my little button. And then you're going to click OK. Now it is recording your macro. So this is what it's going to do when you click your little button. So first thing you need to know is it's not going to recognize any clicking I do on the actual document, but it will notice any clicking I do up in the ribbon up here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to Control A to grab everything. Go over, click on font. I'm going to type Times New Roman and 12-point font. Next, I'm going to go over to the paragraph section. I'm going to click this little button down here, and then you're going to have to tab down it. So it's left alignment. You're going to put 0 in indentation, 0, none. Down to spacing, you're going to put 0, 0. Here, you're going to push the up button a couple times till you're sure that no matter what's selected, it's going to end up on single. Then you're going to tab, put nothing in the at section, tab again, and then you'll see you've got the highlighted tabs button. Click enter. You're going to make sure it's at 0.25, and how you do that is you're going to click type in 0.25 and then an inches mark, and then you're going to tab, hit enter to clear all stops, click OK, and then you're going to go over to the layout section and you're going to click on margins, and you're going to make sure you click down and enter, so the inches are the margins are 1 inch all across. Now that's pretty much everything that this macro can do for you. So go back to your view ribbon, go to macros and hit stop recording. You've now created your macro. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the way it was before we ever started. So here was the messed up document you had. Now that we've created our macro and recorded it, you'll see that my little time button is up there that I created. Now if I click the time button, it has now done all of those formatting things that I recorded all at once. That's going to save you time when you get messed up things. It'll only save you, what, like a minute, depending on how fast of a formatter you are, but if you get a lot of messed up documents, this could really help you out. Hope you learned something, and if you come up with some new ways to use macros to help us do our job, let me know.